If you want to come and have a consultation with us, we could take you through the procedure, explain exactly how much your treatment would cost, how long it would take, and what you'd hope to achieve from that. At 3Dental, all our consultations are free. As part of your implant consultation, you will generally need a 3D CT scan, and the cost of that CT scan is €50. The types of implant treatment we would offer would be single implants, multiple teeth, there would be teeth on a bridge, right up to full mouth replacement. So if you had a full mouth of teeth that need a replacement with implants, we can do that as well. Implant retained dentures, so if your dentures are loose or moving around your mouth, we can stabilise them. One of the first questions people ask me about implants, is this going to hurt? And the answer is no, it's not going to hurt. The procedure of having a dental implant placed is absolutely painless. In the vast majority of cases, people would have a day, maybe two of discomfort that would be managed with painkillers, and then after that, everything would feel fine. So we've gone to great lengths, in fact, to try and create as comfortable and welcoming an environment as possible for this kind of treatment. If you'd like a dental implant consultation, you can find us on our website, 3dental.ie. You can contact us via email, or indeed you can phone us at our Dublin or Limerick practices.